Is your mic working? Hang on.
No,
I'm sure it is.
Problem, guys.
Oh, check, check.
Your mic's not working.
Mic check.
Wait a sec.
Hang on there, bro. So let's get some J's like girls go wild.
Elliot.
Hi.
Interesting. I mean, I've never, ever found dove acts anything but excruciatingly boring. However, you managed to make it interesting and quite fun.
Thank you.
David?
Yeah, well, you surprised me, man, and your style was cool, and the audience loved you. I thought you were great, man.
Thanks a lot.
It was refreshing.
Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
You scared me in the beginning. I thought you was throwing a mic at me. But it was great. You did a
Thanks a lot.
fantastic
Appreciate
job.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
David?
Yeah.
You know what? I think that you're really on your way, so I want to see what else you can do. I say come back.
Excellent. Thanks.
Yes.
Appreciate it. Thanks, Dave.
Yes.
Yeah, we like you. You come back. Yes.
Thank you, Pierce.
You're
It's
through.
great.
Next, please.